Hello everyone, and thank you so much for being here today. I'm Daniel and I am thrilled to have the opportunity to speak with some of our most loyal customers. Today session is all about you. We want to hear your truth, gather your feedback, and show our appreciation for your continued support. As many of you know, All Body Shop has been on an incredible journey over the past few years. We've grown from a small local store to a trusted brand in beauty industry. And that world didn't have been possible without your loyalty and support. Your commitment to us has fueled our growth, and we're grateful for the part you played in our success. I'm excited to share with you some of the new products we'll be launching in the coming months. First, we're introducing a new line of organic skincare products using ethically sourced ingredients. These products are designed to cater to your needs for natural, high quality skincare. In addition, we're launching a limited edition fragrance collection, perfect for those looking for unique, eco-conscious scents. We can't wait for you to try them out. As a way of saying thank you, we're offering exclusive rewards to our loyal customer like you. You have early access to our new products along with special discounts and personalized offers. We know you value our commitment to ethical and sustainable practice, and we want to ensure that you continue to feel as a part of our All Body Shop family. We've always striving to improve, in your feedback important to us. What do you love about our products? And where do you think we can improve? We're listening. We'll be sending out a feedback survey after this session, and we encourage you to share your true, whether it's about our products, customer service, or anything else. We want to hear from you. Once again, thank you for being such an integral part of All Body Shop's journey. We truly value your loyalty and support, and we look forward to continuing this journey with you. Keep an eye out for our upcoming promotions and products launch. Thank you again, and feel free to reach out with any question or feedback you have.